Hi, this is just a quick little tip to all new kinesiologists out there. I'm Madonna. I've been a kinesiologist and naturopath for 24 years, and I truly believe that if you don't sort out the underlying survival patterns that people are running on, then it's going to affect every other area of their life. So the three big things I check initially when I'm trying to rebalance someone: firstly, I see whether they're running on adrenaline. If they're running on adrenaline, that this is going to be shutting down their gut, making their body more toxic, creating inflammation. I then like to see whether they're running on deep survival switching, or whether they've actually got a hidden deep survival pattern running. If they've got hidden deep survival patterns running, it means their brain is trying to hide the stress from their self. They're just going to keep on motoring on in life, but they're going to be creating damage. And once again, this can switch down things like thyroid function, digestive function, detox mechanisms, and once again can make our body inflamed long term. The third thing that I always like to check is the celestial circuit. The celestial circuit it's your center of gravity. It's where your dantian is. It's where you are. It's to do with your core sense of self, your belief systems. Is that in alignment with where you want to go in life? If your celestial circuit is off to the left, off to the right, behind, in front, in another jolly suburb, you're not going to be living to your true potential. So these are my three tips for new kinesiologists. You've got to sort out the adrenaline, you've got to sort out the survival patterns, and you truly have to sort out the celestial circuit. Keep an eye out for my online kinesiology course. Check me out on Facebook, check me out on YouTube, New Leaf Health Team. See you soon.